What's going on? Welcome back to the Weekflow, and I'm here with...
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I co-sign, all the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round.
I'm David, I'm our new COO, and I just wanted to welcome you to Genflow's new office here in Haggerston.
This is the main entrance to the new Genflow HQ. I'll show you the rest of the office. As you come in, you got bike storage. I'm a big fan of cycling. I'm trying to convert more people to cycling into the office. Now I'll show you the rest of the office.
Right outside.
Okay, cool. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the office. Still in progress, but I'm going to show you what we're planning to do and what we've got so far. Over here we have some meeting rooms, and on the wall we have some of the press from Genflow and the articles. And then we've got some meeting rooms here, a little kitchen, place to work. We'll have a quick meeting. Then here we've got different time zones of where some of our teams are. And then we've got these two big screens over here. When we have launches or something, we can put our dashboard up here, or anything for the team, or if it's an MGM, we can show some visuals up here or watch a campaign. And then over here we have some breakout spaces for meetings. The concept with this office, as Shan said, is like still semi-remote. So there's some people will be working almost every day here, and then some people will be coming in as and when for different projects, and they'll be able to sit here and do like more hot desking. We go over here, we'll show you where the content team work. So yeah, sitting here where the editors are going to be editing all the campaigns and all the content for all our brands and for Genflow as well. And over here we have a small studio to do flat lays and simple portrait shots and stuff like that. We get lots of samples in as well, and we need to photograph that. There's always a lot of content we're doing for all our brands. And then here is where the product team are working. You can see it's still a work in progress. They've got all these samples back here. We're constantly getting samples of different designs of clothing or any product that we're making. And then yeah, the team will sit here and be working here. And then we've got another meeting room, and then we've got a screen and mirror and everything, so we can do fit sessions. When we have new clothing samples, whatever, we can fit them and make comments. Another kitchen over here, and then here, this is a bit of a snapshot of some of the clients that we've worked with, some of the brands that we've helped build, some of the products we've made, just to give the team a bit more context of like how big the Genflow journey has been. But this is going to keep growing. And then here, got a more casual breakout area to have some meetings, and it's got a pretty decent view. And dotted around we have some soundproof phone booths that people can go in for quick calls or Zoom meetings, and we've put some designs from our Instagram on the walls. And now we're going to take you to the roof. This is the roof. So as you can see, it's not a super sunny day today, but the view isn't too bad. So yeah, we can have like meetings or drinks after work or some social events up here and enjoy the nice views and lovely British weather. On the roof we also have another breakout space or hot desking area where we can have more meetings. People can work from up here if they want to get away from the noise of the main office. And there's some more meeting rooms up in here with screens and webcams, so we can do Zoom calls with some of the remote team or some of our clients who live around the world.
Yeah, the sun out, so my boys gonna trap today. When you get money every day like Saturday. Niggas lying, yeah, he stuck with a cap and fit. Niggas writing, they get hit with the Mac today. This my I don't even know what happened. Grandma in the kitchen still singing happy days. I just popped the G6, I'm in my happy place. She was tripping, had to ask her what people speak. I can make you a little bit, just wanna percolate. Sex first, then we can have an after date. Gave me head to my shit, I'm decapitated. Look me in my eye and do I'm that nappy. They make it rain.
Sorry, but there's a massive bee about to sting you, and I'm worried about you. Why is it an exciting time to join Genflow? I mean, the obvious is that we are here today. This is our rooftop of our new HQ, which is just unbelievable. The journey has been amazing. Why is it an exciting time to join? Because, you know, we keep expanding, we're growing globally, offices in LA, more global offices to come. There are so many new concepts within Genflow. We have talent management that's growing super fast, our brand building, a few more things I can't say right now that are coming up. So there's always something happening here. I would say if you're ambitious, if you know, you love working with creators, social media, this is the perfect place for you. This is the only place for you, and yeah, we love it. This is it's a big family, and yeah, super exciting time for you to join.
Yeah, my punchline is I don't do jokes. I'm sarcastic and dry and witty. That's it. And he's got it on camera, so there we go.
What are you listening to right now?
At the moment, Young Thug.
Is that your go-to inspiration, motivation music?
Changes by the week, but right now it's doing that.
What are you working on right now?
At the moment, we are working on a retention feature for one of our apps.
Nice.
So when you, if you subscribe and then later unsubscribe, it will give you offers and promotion and discounts to improve retention across our products.
What time did you guys finish last night?
I got home at about 11 o'clock. Yeah, me and Harry left at about 10. Hence why all of these wonderful vinyls are up around the office.
Describe your role in 3 words.
I suppose people, structure, and delivery.
What are you working on, Lewis?
What I'm working on, well, I'll give you one key thing that we're doing, well, what I'm doing right now is we're planning a Genflow campaign now for the next quarter. Yeah, as I said, it's in the planning stages. The guy behind the camera is going to be a big part of it as well. I'm not going to say too much, but it's going to be our first and well, one of our best Genflow videos to date. Dondo Loverboy. Listen, that is so easy. It has to be Loverboy all day long. Favourite track on there, although you didn't ask, but I'm going to let you know. It's Fair Trade with Travis Scott. Like, come on, Travis Scott is my guy.
And what's your favourite platform right now?
Favourite platform? Listen, I'm YouTube through and through. However, I would say the platform I'm loving the most at the moment is TikTok. Yes, very controversial. I know you're watching this right now and thinking either, yep, I agree with him, or he's an absolute. But yeah, it has to be TikTok. If I'm on there, I can't get off.
Stay focused when the pressure is on.
Well, I have 2 kids who keep me on my toes. I run, do exercise just to keep the stress off, and try and get as much sleep as possible. But trying to be as organised with my calendar as possible really helps to stay focused, structured, and not feel overwhelmed.
How do you feel after going viral?
Oh, yeah, our TikTok went viral. We're currently, 3 months in, and 1 million likes and 12k followers, organic, 0 ad. It feels very good, we're proud. TikTok is becoming my favourite channel very quickly.
Really?
It's fun, yeah.
Just because of the numbers?
Because of the numbers and because of how the algorithm works. So Instagram is all about the feed. You're on the feed and you have an explore page and you have stories and IGTV. There's a lot happening. On TikTok, there's just a For You page, and I think that's exciting because that's where you really play with how good your content can be and how your content needs to be on other people's For You page.
What are you working on right now?
Man, like on you.
Fixing stuff or building something?
I love fixing stuff.
What are you working on?
I'm working on some stuff for Genflow. We're doing some hype reels about a new cool project we've got coming up. Gonna put some nice B-roll over the top of it and make it look all pretty for you guys.
Beautiful. What are you working on right now?
I'm working on templates so that clients can go through it and choose what they want and where they want their logos to go and what size, and it will streamline the whole process and make it much faster.
Right, I'm currently sourcing some packaging for one of our skincare brands, so looking into like really innovative packaging, so something new and exciting to bring for this Gen Z brand.
Alright, look, to start off with, I want to just touch upon, I think for me personally, obviously this is a massive moment. I want to give you a little bit of background. So 7 years ago, pretty much just down the street from here, I decided to leave my job and to start this journey, which has got here today. 5 years ago, I started the company. Obviously for years, it's been like such hard work and dedication and like over everything in my life to make this happen. Lots of you here have helped get to that point. So I think I just want to start with saying, I am truly like living my dream, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that have taken part in that for me to get there. So yeah, thank you everyone. I want every single person here to truly follow what their passion is, and everything else that you do will naturally come into place. So, you know, your work won't feel like work if you are doing something that you truly want to do. And you should forget everything else. It doesn't matter about your education, your background, your experience, what your parents say, what you want to do. If you just focus on that, everything in your life will take care of itself. You will feel driven, you'll feel motivated, you'll feel, you know, how I feel like every single day, basically. And that's what my dream is for every person, any person that ever works for Genflow has that's what I want them to be doing. I don't want anyone to be not feeling the way I feel, because I feel like that drive and that way of working is ultimately where great things happen, and which is what we managed to do in this company. I know a lot of you guys are very focused on the day-to-day, right? Like this message, that message, client problem, this launch, making this product, this is what it feels like, right? Day-to-day, I get that. I want you guys to just take just a different view of looking at it, because what we do in this company has fundamentally changed people's lives. As cliche as that sounds in the whole like tech scene, that is the truth. Some of our clients, you know, we've taken teenagers and made them into millionaires. That's a genuine thing.
Going forward, we'll be bringing updates of progress against these strategic goals each time we meet. It'll be Genflow's to become the leading brand in the creator economy, and that's all about growing our presence across all of the key platforms. As Shan said, we want to sign the best creators in the world. We also want to not just sign the best, but we have some great partners already, right? So we want to grow our brand sustainably and faster than the market. We know exactly who our audiences are that we are targeting, and we know hand in hand with our clients exactly who they want to be. And we truly build strategies that are right for them, then that's going to help us win. We need to be obsessed with not just what we're doing inside, but what's happening in the lives of our creators and their audiences. I'm going to pass over to our CFO, Carl.
Funny story, I used to work with Shan 7 years ago at that accounting firm. Obviously I gave him a really good impression of the accounting world, and he's next. But I'm now CFO of his company, so all is not bad.
So I was the first one to do his slide, and he put a little slogan next to his name saying, "I'm Zard, I'm here to win big." So me being me with my sense of humour, put a little quote next to mine, which was, "I'm James, I just want a quiet life." And then realised wasn't on brand. So we have a big portfolio of brands. It is growing week by week, month by month, and we're doing more and more activity across each of those brands, whether it's a new piece of content, like a new guide, a restock, a new product launch, a new feature release. We are doing an enormous amount of activity right now.
Certainly one of my goals is kind of overall responsibility through the product development cycle. So obviously ideation, sitting down with a client, what do we want to make, how do we want to make it, ideation, design, sampling, manufacture, freight, fulfillment, customer delivery.
Account managers know how long it is to do the trackers and putting in all the data. So one of our big goals there is to automate all of that, and that is sort of what will become our business intelligence, so how we make business decisions about our brands. So that's coming up next.
Sometimes the traffic that we can get on sales is just mad. Like the numbers sometimes are really big. So we make sure that everything goes okay and doesn't go down.
I am our VP of business, so I basically do what Shan describes as the boring stuff. What does that client journey look like, from all the way from when we try and build demand for a client, through to signing a client, developing the product, building the brand.
So I feel so lucky to be able to work in the space that I do, because for me, when I work every day, it doesn't actually feel like work for me. I just absolutely love the world of people, human resources, and as you'll get to know me, you'll see that I'm so passionate about. I'm getting a bit passionate now. You'll see that
First of all, it's amazing to be here. I met Shan like 4 years ago at his, not the previous office, but the office before that, which is literally the size of like maybe from there to there, which we did a podcast together. So everything he's saying, believe it, because I've seen it, and it's amazing to be a part of it, and I'm very proud and honoured to be a part of what we're doing here. But just to touch on, this is a big moment even for me to see someone progress I am here to work with Shan on signing the best creators in the world. We are already doing that successfully. This is not talk, it is happening. We have created headlines for other people, which is amazing and we're proud of it, but it's definitely time to start creating our own headlines. What I'm saying is, reputation is always on the line. And we have done so much business by just doing great work. And we should never lose that passion, that drive, and that commitment to excellence. So we need to keep doing great work, and it will help us go out there and acquire more talent.
As soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, ET, two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
One take.
Yeah, the sun out, so my boy's gonna trap today. When you get money every day like Saturday. Niggas lying, yeah, he stuck with a cap and fit. Niggas writing, they get hit with the Mac today. This my I don't even know what happened. Grandma in the kitchen still singing happy days. I just popped the G6, I'm in my happy place. She was tripping, had to ask her what people think. I can make look. Yeah, the sun out, so my boy's gonna trap today. When you get money every day like Saturday. Niggas lying, yeah, he stuck with a cap and fit. Niggas writing, they get hit with the Mac today. This my I don't even know what happened.